stepper. I can't walk by faith. Every day I wake up to some brand new hate.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video here on the Thrive Guide, where you get your short, your sweet, your simple insights on how to thrive in the world. Guys, this weekend, well, this video is going to be about Bachelorette weekend, and y'all not ready. No, I'm not getting married, but my cousin is, so I'm going to show y'all the process. We are in Miami, Florida. As y'all can see, I look a hot mess. Just wait for the transformation. Just wait for it. But right now, I'm going to decorate real quick, so make sure y'all stay tuned for more. It's about to be a lituation. Just know that it's gonna be a lituation. Oh,
Crazy.
so my cousin just pulled up. We were gonna decorate before everybody else gets here, and low-key my head hurts. Like, my head hurts. I'm ready to take a nap, but we're in Miami and it's team no sleep. Okay, as y'all can see, I already put this part up. I'm gonna try to put the other one up. Let's get it. All of our decoration, and I gotta figure this out because I don't do decor at all. But this is what I made so far of my cousin's man's, period. She's still over there. It was a car across from our Airbnb, y'all, watching us. So weird.
A lot of people will be scared here. A lot of people will be scared.
But yeah, this is the things we have. We have a little bit of plastic action. We have these sashes, and we have, damn, I can't think. What? We have these fanny packs. Yes. But this is an extra thing if she want to use this instead. But yeah, I'm trying to see how to do this part. Whoa. Y'all, we are trying to get it together. So guys, this is my Airbnb bathroom. Everything looks super nice. And as you can see, the shower head, I forgot what you call these shower heads, but it comes from the ceiling. Super bougie vibes. So I'm definitely gonna have to like adjust. Super, super cute. Oh, did I lock myself out, y'all? Oh. Wait, I thought I locked myself out. Lord. This is one of the bedrooms. There are 4 bedrooms total. Super nice, super cute, super clean. I'm gonna put the link below for the house that I booked, but y'all, super nice. It's technically, it's called like the White House, and it's in Miami. You have this pool table, you have this couch right here, a lot of bar stools, and the kitchen right here. And then you have another mini living room area. Well, this is the main living room area. And I have a couple of balloons here. I'm still trying to set up everything and show you guys. And then they have a nice television here, and also one in the main room. I don't think, yeah, there is no television in the room I'm staying in. This is the room that I'll be staying in. It's similar to the master bedroom. Super nice vibes. And then you have your closet. Wow, whoa. I can literally walk in there and hide if I wanted to. Super vibes, super nice, super nice, super nice. So I put my bonnet back on. I'm about to go shower because everyone was supposed to come here earlier, but I'm waiting for them. They're coming from Central Florida, so I'm gonna wait for them. In the meantime, I'm gonna go just shower. My cousin is on her way back from the store because we had to get some tape because the balloons are not holding up, y'all. Like, other than that, I mean, I'm gonna try to decorate as much as I can. I'm probably gonna do a little bit of makeup, like just brows, a little bit of concealer, fini, done. Maybe some lashes, I don't know yet. And of course my contacts, cause these glasses, no. Low key, y'all, I'm tired. I'm getting older, I'm tired. Like, so I also had my cousin get me a Red Bull, cause y'all, I cannot, I can't. So this is the end look. Yes, we did that. Yes, we did it. We did that. Say what's up to the YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
Period. This is the bride. The cousin of the bride.
Get it together, okay? Just give me a minute. Hold on. That's the TikTok.
And 8. Cute face ass up.
That's the TikTok. Like that.
Pop your cat. Charge your that's.
All right, y'all, so day one, I'm definitely signing off. As y'all could tell, voice is raspy, but day two coming soon. What's up, y'all? We are back at it again. Shout out to PNR Beauty. I am going to do a little light beat vibe because these brows, had to hit them with the But anyway, it is day two of the Bachelorette party vibe, and we about to get into it. But let's get into my makeup setup.
It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
So y'all, I'm chewing on some food, but we are finally going to brunch. First event of the day. Y'all see the drip. So we have our sashes. We need to hurry up. Say what's up.
Hello, what's up?
Yes.
It's the Thrive Guy.
Say what's up to the Thrive God.
What's up? Welcome.
Period. Okay, I have to take my little thumbnail, but y'all see the light. Y'all see the light hitting. And this is not even a full beat, y'all. But we're gonna head there now. We're starting the car, and we're just waiting for everybody because everybody's saying, you see her? We got the flick on deck. Thank you. So we're gonna toast to Bayo Colas. So guys, we have arrived to the area where the marina is because we are going on a yacht. Say what's up to the Thrive Guy. They not lit. They don't have energy, but they're gonna have energy soon. But we parked at the Grand Doubletree Hotel. We're gonna grab a few things, change, you know, because this is not marina. This is not beach attire. This is not yacht attire. I mean, it's cute, but it's not yacht attire. But we about to go to this yacht. We gotta do the most. You know we do the most. Period. So we are walking to the pier of the boat. Hey. As y'all can see, the pier is right up here. So we made it, y'all. This is our boat. So we gotta come this way?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it. Have you brought your shoes up right there in the basket?
We gotta put our shoes in the basket.
No worries.
And we can change in there, right?
Oh yeah, there's a whole living room downstairs area.
Go ahead, cousin. Hold on, give him the bags first.
Hey,
Yeah, give him the bags first.
It's my bachelor, baby. I'm off the market.
Oh, we can check it out? Okay. So we gotta do this. Uh-oh. Welcome to my crib.
The
Uh-oh.
Thrive Guide.
Purr.
Let me take a stare. Oh, okay.
Watch that now.
Oh my God.
It's a vibe, y'all. It is. Thrive Guide, Thrive Nation. It's a vibe.
Very much so.
Oh, yes, polite.
Okay. I had to cover it up because y'all not ready.
Missy said it. Like, I feel like if I'm in Tallahassee for something, it's near Panama City, whatever.
Go ahead, Mia. Ooh, wait. Wait.
Not the ball.
Rick. Say what's up, y'all.
Here we go. Cute face ass fat. Jump in my jeans, jump in my.
Good morning, y'all. So it's officially day 3 in Miami. 10, me 0. Today's our last day because we did like a weekend event, and honestly, so far my favorite event was the boat, the yacht. That was a vibe. The captain was a vibe. I'm gonna drop the link below so y'all see which boat we booked, because a lot of them are very expensive, but this one was like worth every penny. Okay, and it was affordable too. But y'all, I am ready to clock out, and as y'all can see, my face is ashy. I just took a shower. Everything looks crazy. Don't come for me. But with that being said, y'all, I think I'm officially gonna sign off because I have to go clean everything. We might go to brunch or some type of breakfast spot. We'll see. But right now, I am just, honestly, because Miami sucked the life out of me, even though I live in Miami, because going everywhere sucked the life out of me, because we went last night, we went to like a lounge. It was a vibe. But because, I stayed up till 5, 4, I don't usually do stuff like that. I am ready to just reload at home. But I'm so happy everybody had a great time. People are starting to leave now and pack up and stuff. But overall, y'all, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. By the way, y'all, we did miss our Victory Lounge reservation, but it's okay because you can view another video. I'm going to drop a link below as well. You can view the other video I had of Victory Lounge, just so you can see the vibes of Victory Lounge, okay? Because I've been there before. But yeah, y'all, signing off. Thank you for tuning into the Thrive Guide. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more vlogs, lit videos just like this, okay? Thank y'all, Thrive Society, and I'll see y'all next time.